Hey guys, it's Penguin, your data neighbor. And today I want to chat with you about business analytics, something interesting and relatable. If you're a data analyst, you know how overwhelming it can be to handle tons of data requests without making any meaningful business impact. But let me tell you a personal anecdote. Have you ever tried to bake a cake without following the recipe? It might look great on the outside, but when you take a bite, it's not quite right. The same thing goes for data analysis. Without a clear understanding of the business problem you're trying to solve, your analysis might not lead to any real-world impact. Now, if you're an analytics manager, you might be wondering how to improve the data culture in your organization. It's like trying to make a fire without the right tools. It's not going to happen. But with the right approach, you can create a data-driven culture that empowers your team to leverage data to make informed decisions. And for students who have learned all the technical data skills in college but struggle to connect the dots to the real-world business scenarios, don't worry, it's not just you. It's like learning to drive a car without a destination in mind. But with the right framework for translating data into actionable insights, you'll be able to turn your technical skills into real-world impact. So if you're feeling overwhelmed as a data analyst, or struggling to connect your technical skills to real-world business scenarios as a student, or wondering how to improve the data culture in your organization as an analytics manager, don't worry. These are common problems in the data field, and that's exactly why business analytics exists. Business analytics provides a framework for translating data into actionable insights that drive business results, and it can be a powerful tool for connecting everyone in your company to the business goals that really matter. By using data to understand business problems and identify opportunities for improvement, you can help to create a culture of collaboration and alignment that empowers your team to make informed decisions and drive real-world impact. Amazon is widely recognized as one of the most successful companies in the world, and a big part of that success can be attributed to their ability to leverage business analytics to drive growth and innovation. They have a culture of experimentation, innovation, and data-driven decision-making that has helped them to stay ahead of the competition and continue to grow year after year. So what can we learn from Amazon's success? Well, for one thing, they have a laser-like focus on defining the right metrics to measure success. They don't just measure what's easy to measure, they measure what matters and what will drive the business forward. As a data analyst, you have a key role to play in identifying the right metrics to measure and in helping to ensure that those metrics are aligned with the company's strategic goals. Another key factor in Amazon's success is their rigorous business review process. They have regular meetings where they review the performance of their business units and use data to identify areas for improvement and opportunities for growth. As a data analyst or analytics manager, you can play a key role in setting up this kind of review process within your own organization and ensuring that it is focused on the metrics that matter. Finally, Amazon is known for their ability to connect business initiatives to measurable action plans. They don't just set goals. They create actionable plans that are designed to move the needle on the metrics that matter. As a data analyst, you can help to create these action plans by identifying the key drivers of success and the levers that can be pulled to achieve the desired outcomes. So, if you want to help grow your company like Amazon, start by focusing on the right metrics, setting up a rigorous business review process, and connecting business initiatives to measurable action plans. With the right approach to business analytics, you can drive growth and innovation within your organization and achieve unprecedented levels of success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss out on anything. Do you have any questions or comments about business analytics? Share your thoughts down below and let's continue this conversation. I'm excited to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.